Next, we're going to want to ensure that our document is free of redundant or contradictory requirements, which are often introduced by reusing legacy requirements or from multiple authors working on the same document. So our Similarity tab is right up here to the right, and it has the same slider here for matching strength as we saw with the Consistency tab. So by sliding it all the way to the 100%, that is going to be telling me that there are or are not requirements listed here that are identical to another requirement in the document. So in this case, I have it all the way to 100, and I can see my entire list here. There are 0 requirements that are exactly the same, so that's good to know. And now I can just bring the slider down the other way to see if I have any requirements that are similar, so that I should look at them to see if they contain contradictory information or very similar information. So in this case, we have this requirement, which says that the solution shall have online help functionality, and the one that's close to it says the solution shall have print functionality for reports and forms. So you'll note over here on the left-hand side, I can see both requirements get highlighted as I click on them, and I can make changes to them right there if I need to. But in this case, it's just 2 that are worded in a similar way. They don't need any attention. So that's good to know. I've checked my document, and I can now move forward confident that I don't have any similar or contradictory requirements in my document.